Hello everyone, this is Sarah Lamro, and today I'm going to talk to you about the EON lesson and how to use this specific lesson. So EON-XR is a great platform actually that can help students to learn and gain experience by moving from theory to practice by using EON-XR features like AR and VR. Uh, and by experiencing different parts of the lesson, the student will get to know the specific details that they might not have the ability to see it or touch it. So in this video, you will learn about foundation details and you will listen to audios, answering questions, and more about the EON lesson. So let's go ahead and start this lesson. First, if you want to go to EON, you have to search on Google EON-XR, and you will find this one. So you will click the first link here. It will get you to the main page of the EON. Just to let you know that you have to make an account so you can access the library and be able to view the lessons. So if you want to reach my lesson and you couldn't find it in the library, all you have to do is to press on this plus icon and go to architecture, engineering, and construction, and then you will find anything related to architecture, engineering, and construction. So you will open this lesson. All you're gonna do is to click on it and then you will find this page. So typical foundation wall, this is my lesson, and you have to view lesson. Click on the view lesson and then you will find this page that I already opened. So in the first page you will find that this model is I already uploaded from SketchUp model and create my own lesson. So to be able to explore it, you have to know all the features in EON lesson. So the first feature here, you can use it to move from AR 3D or AR or VR. So you can press that. If you have the VR virtual reality headset, you can use that to explore the lesson. The next feature is the annotation and details. So when you press this icon, you can see or hide the annotation and specific details and the names of the materials. The second one is helping you to explode the model to parts, so you can go through these parts and know more, and yeah, it's gonna explode like that. You can again press it to make it union again. The next one is it's transparent. It makes the model transparent so you can see through it. And if you couldn't, for example, see what's behind this wall or this gypsum wall board, you just gonna press this icon and then you will find that it's more easy to see through it. So this is a nice feature actually for EON. To explore my lesson, you have to go through quizzes and listen to audio. You can reach that through pressing on this. You have to click on the three lines and then you will open options here like quizzes, audio to listen, and like different details. For example, let's open here the the quiz about the airspace. So when I press here airspace, it will get me to audio. Let's go ahead and open it.
38 millimeters airspace.
So yeah, you have 38 millimeter, and then if you wanna go ahead and try the quiz, click on the quiz, and then you will find this question: what is the second layer that is between the break veneer and the rigid insulation, which is this layer, which is, it's not there because it's airspace. So what is this space? You have to identify this part, and you have specific time to finish, which is 30 seconds. You got it. So this is an example. Let's choose the sheathing. So it will ask you here when you press locate sheathing, select and hold for 2 seconds. So you will have to select and hold. Now it's correct. Nice. So let's see if there's another quiz that we can go through. Many quizzes and audio to listen. Okay, so yeah, this is how to use the lessons by, for example, let's listen to metal stuff.
152 millimeters metal studs at 400 millimeters.
Yeah. So this is pretty much all about the lesson. You can go ahead and use the link that will be provided in the description, and you can go ahead and explore my lesson. I hope you find this video useful. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.